In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Go High Level with Messenger 2026. By the end, you'll have your Go High Level account connected to Facebook Messenger, so conversations from your page can flow right into your workspace. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct sub-account in Go High Level and that your Facebook profile has admin access to the page you want to connect. Also, allow pop-ups in your browser so the connection window can open smoothly. From your Go High Level dashboard, begin by opening Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon on the lower left. If you manage multiple locations, double-check that you're inside the right one, because integrations are set at the location level. Opening Settings puts you in the place where all account-level preferences and connections are managed. Next, head into the Integrations area. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Integrations. This is the hub where Go High Level links up with external platforms, and it's where the Facebook and Messenger options live. Think of it as your control panel for anything that needs a secure handshake between Go High Level and another service. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the labels and give the page a moment to load fully. Now, find the Facebook option and click Connect on Facebook. This button kicks off the secure connection to bring Messenger into Go High Level. When you click it, a pop-up may appear asking you to confirm permissions. Keep the browser window in focus, and if prompted, review the access that enables messaging. For the smoothest setup, make sure you're using the Facebook profile that manages the page you're integrating. If you see a spinner that doesn't finish, refresh the page, disable any pop-up or script blockers, and try again. After the connection runs, you should see Facebook listed as connected within the integration screen. That means the pipeline between your Facebook page's Messenger and Go High Level is established. From here, incoming messages can appear in your conversations area, and your team can reply from inside Go High Level without switching tabs. If the connection doesn't show as active, verify your page role on Facebook and retry the Connect on Facebook button from the same integration spot. That's the whole process. Open Settings, go to Integrations, and click Connect on Facebook. With this in place, you're set up to manage Messenger conversations centrally and keep your response times tight inside Go High Level.